So Mackenzie left off on week 8, so I'll pick up on week 9. We have him at doing these exercises for about 5 days per week. For this specific week, it's going to be free weight circuits. He has dumbbell, bench press, tricep extensions, pec flies, bicep curls, forearm rollers, single arm rows. And for abs, he has plank with leg lifts, plank with plate pull-throughs, and crunches. For his free weight volume, he's going to be doing 3x8, and it's going to be about 65 to 70% of his 1 rep max. His abs, he'll be doing it for 3 sets of 45 seconds. He'll rest 1 minute in between for each exercise. And this intensity should be very vigorous. Week 10, he has machines and mobility. For his machine work, he's going to have leg curls, hamstring curls, leg press, calf raises, inner and outer upper legs. For his mobility, he's going to have a rollout, lacrosse ball rollout, yoga stretch, and butterfly stretch. For abs, he has V sit-ups, butterfly kicks, toe touches. For his volume for his machines, it's going to be 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps, 50 to 60% of 1 rep max. His abs, he's going to do for 3 by 45 seconds, and he's going to rest 1 to 2 minutes between each exercise. For week 11, he has free weight and bands. Free weight is going to be squats, Romanian deadlifts, weighted hamstring curls, calf raises. For his banded work, he can do tricep pull-downs, pull-aparts, and bicep curls. For his abs, he's going to have toe touches, leg extensions, and in and out crunches. For his volume, it'll be 3x8. His weight will be 60 to 65% of his 1 rep max. His banded will be 3x12. His abs will be the same all across the board, 3 by 45 seconds. He'll rest for 1 minute between circuits. And again, it should be vigorous. For his last week, he's still doing 5 days per week. He's going to be doing a free weight circuit again, medicine ball slams, weighted wall sits, lunges, goblet squats, cable row machine. For abs, he'll be doing sit-ups, leg extensions, and flutter kicks. His free weight should be 50 to 60% of his 1 rep max. His rest will be 45 seconds between circuits, and it should be vigorous. For his cool down, it's going to be about 5 to 10 minutes. It should be 30 seconds to a minute for each stretch. You should have a quad stretch, arm stretch, left and right, hip flexor stretch, seated toe touch, thigh hug, child's pose, and wall shoulder stretch. All of these could change according to what he's working that day. So like we mentioned before, our client has some pain in his shoulder. So these are some shoulder mobility exercises and stretches that he can do to work on the pain and work on his mobility and full range of motion. So he has wall extensions. He could be doing these for 1 to 2 minutes per day, 10 to 12 times per day. Where he sits or stands against a wall with his hips and whole back flat against the wall. Raise your elbows to a 90-degree angle, keeping in contact with the wall as much as possible, and attempting to slide your arms up the wall while maintaining hip, back, and arm contact. PVC shoulder dislocates, 1 to 2 minutes, 10 to 12 times per day. He can use a PVC pipe or a broom, anything that has a bar, and roll it out in front of your face and over and behind without bending your elbows. And he could cycle these regularly. And as his hands get closer, it'll increase his mobility in his shoulders. He can also do something called a doorway stretch, where it's 1 to 2 minutes, 10 to 12 times per day. Put your hands on a doorway and lean into the stretch, where it'll stretch the pec muscles. And the arm should be in full extension when we're performing this movement. If your elbow is flexed, it can run the risk of damaging articular cartilage of the shoulder.